Что, quit? He just said nothing's gonna happen.
I guess it's gonna happen when you lost full controls.
Sure,
I don't know. He was not responding at all. Gyro was confused probably. I shouldn't check before I got
it's 16 minutes. What way? An investigator.
I guess it will happen when you crash hard.
Motor.
Everything.
It's too windy.
Today is very windy day. We're gonna try this beautiful airplane. You can see it's already shaking like crazy. And you got also crazy dog. Dog is ready to chase too. She doesn't stop. High energy dog. So you can see all the trees shaking like crazy. Real windy. So we're gonna go try it. Even this little tree, Christmas tree, shaking like crazy. So it's about 20 miles an hour, maybe even more wind. I got a good size brushless motor, which should give me a lot of power. I'm gonna initialize. I got a gyro system, which is supposed to help. And I got a dog, which wants to play all the time. You can see even prop move by itself. Take it off, let it go. Ты чё, дурак что ли?
Что?
Я ждал снимать тебе.
Yeah, I got a hooker.
Ну так take it off. Sit, hey. Sit. Stupid. Come on, sit.
Come here. Come here. Sit. Come here.
On this side, come here. Sit.
Sit. Don't move. Stay.
Move.
Stay.
Don't move.
Stay.
Don't move, сказал. Я сказал stop it.
Come here.
Stop it, shut
Come
up.
here. Come here. Come. Stupid dog. Go down there a little bit more. Иди туда. Yeah. Там. Your wings shaking. Just not too cold. It's more windier than last time. Shall we go drink? Мне тут water. Tina landing. Easy. Go drink. Yes, Selena. Come here.
Stop. Don't move.
Nah.
Come here, Shelby.
Go drink.
Shop.
Stay.
Nope. Come here. Come here. Come drink. Drink. Shelby, not going anywhere.
Go drink. Here. Come here.
Come drink. Yes. Yes, drink. Yo, where are you going? Come here. Drink. Come over here. Shelby.
Это собака у тебя дергался очень сильно. Хотел say hi to Shelby. Что тут ходил?
Он там пошел. Drink, yeah. Скажи ей, чтобы она села. Shelby, sit.
Come here.
Ну давай, face. Иди сюда. Don't move.
Stay. She doesn't want to take her eyes off at the video. Sit.
Sit, Shelby.
Don't move.
Shelby, sit.
She has grass stuck in the way.
Все, буду slow speed.
Гони ее all the way down there and back.
Huh?
Гони собаку all the way there and back.
Погнать?
Yeah, have her go all the way down there and come back. Pull up. Hey, give a guess. And I did full power.
Leave it.
Come here, Puss Peterson. Come here. Stay. Sit.
Move, Shelby.
Come here.
Shelby, move. Shelby, come over here.
Come here. Sit. Green. Что, дрон сейчас море видишь, Эдвин?
Да.
Да, решили ты поставил gyro. Go drink. Это ты делаешь? Go drink. Собака тоже full power. уже не бежит. Easy.
Видишь, как оно ставит? Уже ветер в ту сторону.
Иди на ленд. Landed. Пока собака нету. Эй, what are you doing? Иди на лендинг. Что? No. Too windy.
Full power, я еле fighting against it.
Exactly against the wind? Ты спаришь мотор. Это new one, да? Go drink. Go drink. Она смотрит, знаешь. Chubby, relax. The foam is grass. Easy, come back around, come back around. Return, get away from the tree. The full power? The motor quit.
Go check that wing.
Chill.
Okay, relax.
Come here, let's go drink. It's too windy. Huh? Why? That's the bucket.
No, probably clip the grass or something. What about that side?
That side's fine.
Oh, that side's broken too. What's up?
What is from the wind? Probably because it's too windy. At the flaps, no?
I know it's a flaps.
I'm saying maybe from the wind.
Why it's broke? Exactly on both sides. Okay, go behind.
Sit!
Sit. Shabby, sit.
You're gonna lose it. It's too windy.
Gotta go lower. No, no way you can land it with wind. Watch out.
It's too windy.
Battery. Battery kaput.
It's worse now. Все. Let's go. It's too windy. It's even when it's getting worse.
Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna go in a minute. Shoot your way from it.
Let's go drink some. Let's go drink. Come on. Go to the water. Don't you one continuous clip? Video.
Oh, I'm gonna cut it.
Do it as if you're gonna prefer. Let's go drink, come on. Come on, Shelby. Shelby, let's go drink. No, все равно мокро. Ты видишь задние лапы эти? Dirty. Много людей работают на субботу или no?
Да.
Тоже same thing, как Sunday? Это time and a half только, да? It's not worth it. Лучше остаться 2 days during the week и переработать Saturday. Oh shit.
So today is super windy day, and this aquatic airplane about to fly by itself, but because it has a gyro system, this gyro system, it's a lifesaver. You can go on this crazy wind and nothing's gonna happen.
Что, quit? You just said nothing's gonna happen.
I guess it's gonna happen when you lost full controls.
Что,
I don't know, it was not responding at all. Gyro was confused probably. I shouldn't check before I got a
It's 16 minutes. What way? An investigator.
I guess it will happen when you crash hard.
Motor.
Everything.
It's too windy. Сможешь glue it?
Yeah. Shut you off. Still, man.
Too windy тоже.
Oh shit. No, gyro was not responding. Let's go. Shelby, you better go.
Shelby, you broke it.
Check out this thing.
It's 3. I gotta get the water bowl. Let's go, Shelby, come on. Leave it. Задние лапы чуть-чуть, видишь? Она может dry off.
I can check the gyro. Gyro was confused.
Выключай.
Выключай.